So we've just finished installing the shower base, waterproof panelling and the Mira Azora electric shower. Gone pretty well, to be fair, smoothly. We've got it done in the 2 days that we wanted to get it done. So yeah, I'm happy.
A job like this is obviously quite rewarding. I love what I do, and I think it shows giving back to places like this. Hopefully it inspires other people to get involved and do a bit more for their local clubs.
Oh, wow. Didn't expect them to go all the way across here, but that's even better. Oh, well, compared to what it was previously, this is now just 100 times better. It's the fact that we've actually got a working shower. So, no, this is just amazing. I can't thank the contributors to this project enough, from Mira for supplying the actual shower, to Mike the electrician and Tom the plumber. They've been superb.
The biggest surprise has actually been the camaraderie between workmen who actually haven't even met each other before. It's much like a football team. You can have some real good players, but unless you work as a team, you don't work at all.